Here's a tip for you guys that have got the Oakley air brake goggle. They've just released a low light prism lens. Now this is a fantastic lens for a lot of people out there that just use a clear lens. This is very similar to a clear lens, but it's got the prism technology, so it really does highlight the ground when you're riding. It's fantastic for motocross on those sort of overcast low light days, and when you're trail riding, they're amazing, even in between shadows, and then when you come out of the shadows from the bush into a more lighted area, you don't get that bright sunshine, you get a nice beautiful tint from these lenses. These are my go-to lenses, they are fantastic. And another tip for you guys as well, doesn't matter what brand of goggle, always run just one tear off over the top of the goggle. It does help when you're riding. It limits the scratches on your goggle so that your lens lasts a little bit longer, because the lenses these days are getting more and more expensive.